This review is detailed, engaging, and optimized for SEO to attract more viewers. Female urination device review, a must-have for women on the go. In today's world, convenience and hygiene are top priorities, especially for women who are always on the move. Whether you're traveling, hiking, camping, or attending outdoor events, finding a clean restroom can be a real challenge. That's where the female urination device comes in. A revolutionary product that allows women to pee standing up, eliminating the hassle of unhygienic public restrooms or squatting in uncomfortable places. In this video, we take a deep dive into how a female urination device works, its benefits, and why it's becoming a must-have item for modern women. If you've ever wondered whether this product is worth it, this review will help you decide. What is a female urination device? A female urination device is a specially designed funnel that allows women to urinate while standing up. It's made from medical-grade silicone or plastic, ensuring safety, flexibility, and ease of use. The best part? It's discreet, portable, and reusable, perfect for anyone who spends time outdoors or travels frequently. Many brands offer different types of FUDs, but the key features remain the same. Hygienic and easy to clean. Most are washable and reusable. Portable and compact. Fits easily in a purse, backpack, or glove compartment. Leak-proof design ensures a mess-free experience. Perfect for travel, camping, and outdoor adventures. No more dirty restrooms. In this video, we explore the top-rated female urination devices on the market, compare their features, and demonstrate how to use them effectively. Who can benefit from a female urination device? This product isn't just for campers and hikers, it's ideal for a variety of situations. Travelers and road trippers. Long journeys often mean limited access to clean restrooms. A FUD makes it easy to go without worrying about sanitation. Pregnant women. Many pregnant women struggle with mobility or frequent urination needs. A FUD provides added convenience. Elderly and disabled individuals. For those with mobility challenges, using a standard toilet can be difficult. This device offers a simple solution. Festival and concert goers. Public restrooms at events are often overcrowded and dirty. A FUD lets you avoid that hassle. Outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're camping, hiking, or fishing, nature doesn't always provide the best restroom options. In our video, we highlight real-life scenarios where a female urination device can be a lifesaver. How to use a female urination device. Using a female urination device is simple and hassle-free. 1. Position the device. Place the wide end against your body, ensuring a snug fit. 2. Relax and aim. Gently direct the funnel downward and slightly forward. 3. Control the flow. Begin urinating at a slow pace to prevent spills. 4. Dispose or clean. If using a disposable version, throw it away responsibly. For reusable devices, rinse with water or wipe clean. Many women find that practicing at home helps build confidence before using it in public. Our video provides a step-by-step demonstration to make it even easier. Pros and cons of using a female urination device. Like any product, female urination devices have their pros and cons. Here's a quick breakdown. Pros: hygienic and safe. No need to sit on public toilets. Convenient and portable. Fits easily in your bag. Great for emergencies. Perfect for road trips and outdoor adventures. Eco-friendly. Many are reusable and reduce waste. Cons: learning curve. Takes some practice to use comfortably. Cleaning required. Needs proper maintenance for hygiene. Not always spill-proof. Must be positioned correctly to avoid leaks. Our video tests different brands and designs to help you find the best option with minimal drawbacks. Final thoughts. Is a female urination device worth it? Absolutely. If you're tired of dealing with unsanitary restrooms, outdoor bathroom struggles, or mobility issues, a female urination device is a game changer. It's an affordable, practical, and hygienic solution that every woman should consider adding to her travel kit. In this video, we provide an in-depth review, covering everything from design and functionality to real-world usage. Whether you're a frequent traveler, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who values convenience, this product is a must-have. What do you think? Have you ever used a female urination device? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. and let us know your experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical product reviews.